Harry! I need your help. I can't take them both. Not by myself.
You don't deserve my help. Get out.
I've never spoken of.
What are you trying to tell me?
The night your father died, I cleaned his wound. The blade that pierced his body came from his glider.